very cutesy, very demure. This is the product that I'm most excited for. 3, 2, 1. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new to my channel. My name is Tanya, and in today's video I did some shopping from Nykaa. It's not really huge, but I want to do a small Nykaa haul. But before that, let's do my nails. These are the nails that I bought from Glam for Kaizen. It cost me $50, which is not bad for 3 press-on nails, which is a really good price actually. It will usually cost me like $60 for one set. Let's do this one, and I want to see how strong this nail is as well. So yeah, I did manage to put it on. Not gonna lie, it did took me some time to put it on just because of the glue. This took me 15 minutes at max. I like press-on nails just because it's quick and easy, but this took me a while. The only problem I have with this nail is this nail glue. I did open 2 of those out of 3, and both of them were dried up, and I had to use my own nail glue. That's why, other than that, I really like it. I would rate this press-on nail a solid 7 out of 10, and I can't wait to try these 2 on. Let's unbox it together and let's see how strong my nail sticks on. Hopefully this doesn't fall off by the end of this unboxing. Let's start with Minimalist. First off, we have Minimalist cleanser. This is a cleanser, and I've never tried this brand before. First we have this. I think I bought this in a package of cleanser, sunscreen and serum. And this is the moisturizer. Vitamin B5 for oily and combination skin. My face is oily and acne prone skin. This is for all skin types. Cleanser, moisturizer, and then we have sunscreen. This sunscreen is SPF 60. Sunscreen, hyaluronic acid, vitamin E, broad spectrum PA 50 gram. This is niacinamide 10%. Face serum. It really did absorb in my skin right away. It's not really like, you know, sticky. So yeah, this is what I've got from Minimalist. Cleanser, serum, moisturizer, sunscreen. Now let's move on to K-Beauty. I'm really excited for this one. 2 stars from K-Beauty, which is Katrina Kaif's brand, if you guys don't know. First off, we have K-Beauty 24 hours lasting transfer proof smudge proof kajal. Ta-da! This kajal is in the shade Spade. Look how long this is. Okay. Now this is the product that I'm most excited for. This is a K-Beauty lipstick, and packaging very simple, cute, elegant. Now, I have never in my life ever bought a lipstick for myself. I have bought lip gloss, lip tint, but not a lipstick. You know what I mean? And this is my first ever lipstick from K-Beauty. Ooh, look at that. I love this shade. I'm actually going to try it on. Honestly, this feels more like chapstick than lipstick. Not gonna lie, this is bomb. I love this one. I'm really impressed. Look at that. And not drying on your lips. This is gonna be my go-to lipstick now. And then we have... I'm excited for this one as well. This is a sunscreen stick. Let me show you. And the packaging is so cute. Very aesthetic. Ta-da! Roll it like that, and then the sunscreen stick pops out like that, and then you just roll it on your face if you need sunscreen. And the cutest part is, ta-da! And then you can pop it on your back, and you can take it, and then you can just like Isn't this so cute? The packaging might be a reason that I bought this for. Darn it. This is a pimple patch. Isn't this so cute? It's star-shaped pimple patches with different colors. I love. This one has 20 pimple patches in it. Another sunscreen. I got it. This one. I used to use this back when I was in India, and this was such a good sunscreen that I miss it so much. I had to order. This is one of the best sunscreens I've ever used, not gonna lie. And the price, so affordable, and it doesn't give you that sticky feeling after you put on sunscreen. This one is the ceramide and vitamin C sunscreen. Why is this kind of small though? Low key. I kind of remember it bigger than it was. If you guys haven't tried it, try it. I really love it. My skin loves this sunscreen, so yeah, I'm so excited for this sunscreen as well. And then I ordered this. This was also a really good, simple, affordable face wash that my skin really loves, and it's really gentle on my skin. And then we have Body Shop. From Body Shop, it's a vitamin C moisturizer, and it's really herbal, organic, natural, and it smells so good. But this is a face mask. And then we have Himalayan Charcoal Purifying Glow Mask. This is a face mask that I'm gonna put on tonight. This is how it looks. It kind of looks like poop. All the Body Shop products have a smell to it. It smells very organic and natural. I really like that about it. This is a tea tree oil that you can just like use it with cotton swab and put it on your pimple. If you have any pimple marks, acne scars, or like blemishes. Apparently everyone on TikTok loves this. Last but not least, from Body Shop, we have this hemp chapstick. And that's all for the skincare. Now let's move on to the makeup section. I haven't really got much of a makeup, but here is what I got. First off, let's start with, we have Maybelline Fit Me Primer. I used to use this one, and it's alright. I just don't really put on makeup that much, but when I do, I just needed a primer, so I ordered it. Mascara and Cosmic Black. Setting spray. This is my first time using a setting spray. I think I am more of a skincare girly than a makeup girly. I'm not really that good with makeup and stuff, but I do enjoy putting on makeup sometimes. And then we have eyebrow pencil and brush. This is how it looks. This is in the shade brown. And then another brow pencil that I bought. This is also brown. Other end has a brush in it. This one has a triangle shape, if you can see. And yeah, that's all the stuff that I got from Nykaa. I was about to end this video and then I saw this. That's it. Very cutesy, very demure, very mindful. This one's gone.